How you doing? Eric Forsberg at MarineMax here in Minnesota, going through a 2020 G25 that we have here. It's a beautiful boat. Take a look. Got the brown sea deck throughout. It's got a nice frost gray interior with the brown and black accents to it. You've got a set of JL audio speakers. It's got the full JL Studio Elite radio series, strapless board racks. Gonna have tons of storage in this boat on both the port and starboard side. You can flip up the seats there, and you've got full sea deck line storage compartments, as well as back on the sun pads. Tons of room for storage for boards. That's got the trailer and cover in it right there. On the flip side, you can see how deep that is. Really deep, plenty of room for all of your boards and all the gear that you want to bring with. You can take the seat from the back side of the cockpit here and flip it up to be able to view everything that's going on back behind you while you're surfing and wakeboarding. At the helm, you've got the link pan array screen with the helm control. So everything on that screen right there is both touch screen and then can be used from the helm control. Absolutely super comfortable helm seat, swivel, cutout, tons of storage underneath the helm on the other side, the companion side on the port side. And this boat comes equipped with both the bimini, as you can see right above us, and a bow filler cushion up front. So again, tons of space, tons of room for everybody that you want to take with. 19-person capacity on this boat. Come to MarineMax in Minnesota, both Rogers, Excelsior, and Bayport. Take a look. Thank you.